Hello, how are you students? Welcome to the online classes of Vashisht Vidyalay. I am Nawaz ma'am, your English and SST teacher. So students, in this video, we are going to learn the further part of the chapter Services in My Neighborhood. Okay, so let's start. So there are neighborhood services which help us in our daily life. Okay, what are the neighborhood services? The traffic policeman, market, fire station, hospital, bank, school, ATM, all these places are called neighborhood services. Okay, and they help us in our day-to-day life. So let's learn about them in details. Now this is a traffic policeman. You can see the picture over here. So what is the duty of the traffic policeman? How can he help us? The traffic policeman controls the traffic on the roads. He saves us from accidents. So this is the work of the traffic policeman. Okay, that when we are on the roads, he will see that we are following all kind of traffic rules. Okay, all type of traffic rules and regulations. This is his duty. He will see whether we are wearing a helmet, if we are riding two-wheeler, then he will see whether we have got license. All these things he will see. So this is the work of the traffic policeman, and his work is also important. Okay, he will see that the people drive carefully and avoid accidents with each other. The next is the market. This is the picture of a market. Many shops together make a market. The shopkeepers in a market sells different things like fruits, vegetables, clothes, shoes, books, etc. So all these type of different things are sold in the market. Various type of shops are there where you can buy things at one place. Okay, and that type of a place is called a market, and we all enjoy going to the market and shopping the things which we like. So this market is also an important service of the neighborhood. The next one. This is a fire station. Okay, we call 101 to call the fire brigade. Fireman works in the fire station. Fireman puts out fire. So this is also a very important service. Understand, whenever there is fire, whenever a fire break out somewhere, then we have to call the fireman to put out the fire, and we have to dial 101 to call them. The vehicle which you see over here is called the fire brigades. Okay, this vehicle will carry water, it will carry a long pipe, a big ladder, understand, so that if the fire is there in the buildings which are very high, then they can go up to that level and put out the fire. So this all is the work of the fireman. Then over here you see is a hospital. We visit the doctors when we are sick. So who works in a hospital? The doctors work in a hospital. They will treat the sick people, they will cure them. And who helps a doctor in his work? A nurse. Okay, a nurse helps the doctor in his work to cure the sick people. Sometimes the patient has to be taken to the hospital in an ambulance. To call the ambulance, we dial 102 or 108. So these are the two numbers you have to contact when you want to call an ambulance. When the patient himself is not able to go to the hospital, when he is very serious, then we have to take him to the hospital in an ambulance. Okay? If there is any road accident or a person needs help, then on the roads, okay, then he has to call the 108 ambulance. So this is a hospital, which is again a very important service of the neighborhood. The next one is a bank. People use banks to keep their money and jewelry in it. Important documents can be kept safely in a bank locker. So we go to a bank to deposit money, to withdraw money, understand, to take loans. All these type of activities is done in a bank. If you want to keep some jewelries, some important documents, okay, then you can hire a locker in the bank and you can put all your valuables safely over there, so that it will be safe from thieves and robbers. So this is the functions of a bank. In this way a bank will help us. The next one is a school, very important. It is a very important service in the neighborhood. It helps children to gain knowledge and learn good manners. So in a school, what do the children learn? They learn to read and write, and over and above they learn to become good human beings. Okay, they will learn all type of moral values, they will learn good habits, they will learn different type of sports, swimming, dancing, music, karate, all these type of sports activities also they will learn in the school. So school is very important for a person. Understand, every child has to go to school in his childhood. Understand, then only he will become a responsible citizen when he grows up. So this is the school. Now the last one is the ATM. Okay, you can see over here the picture of the ATM machine. People use ATM to take out money whenever they like. It is open 24 hours all day. Most of the banks provide ATM facility. The full form of ATM is automated teller machine. So you have to know the full form of ATM. The full form of ATM is automated teller machine, and we can take out money from an ATM machine any time during the day because it works 24 hours. It does not have fixed timings like a bank. A bank will not work for 24 hours, but a ATM will work for 24 hours. Understand? And ATMs are usually used to withdraw money. Withdraw means to take out money. Understand? And most of the banks will provide ATM services nowadays because it is a very important and a useful facility. Understand? Which helps the people. Chalo. So in this video we have completed the lesson number 7, services in my neighborhood. Let's recall the lesson. Houses and places nearby our house is called a neighborhood. As I taught you, the places which are near and around our house, okay, around the area where we live, those are called neighborhood places. Understand? People living near our house are called neighbors. जो हमारे घर के पास में रहते हैं इनको पड़ोसी कहते हैं. They are called neighbors in English. We have to live in a friendly manner with our neighbors. Means we don't have to fight with our neighbors. झगड़ा नहीं करना है. You have to live peacefully with your neighbors. Our neighborhood should be kept clean. Where you live, that place has to be clean. Understand? It is for your own good and you will not fall sick. Some important neighborhood services are post office, police station, market, hospital, bank, school, ATM, etc. So this is the points which we have learned in the lesson number 7, services in my neighborhood. And till my next video comes, it's thank you and bye bye from my side, children. You all stay safe in your houses and please don't venture out of your houses without any reason. Understand, students? Okay.